You guys, let's unbox. I don't come from my 2 hours market, John. Let's unbox. Granite for granite soup based on this and get where I be. I know see the Gary brown the price of this guy. I don't know what to make carry this guy. This is like what to get too much cocoa. And this 10 kg of rice. I buy bread. I get bread according to them. So I buy bread. I buy 2 bread. Unfortunately, before I reach house, I don't use my finish 1, and of course butter. Kuli. Before I reach house, I don't use my finish kuli for inside mochi. 10 kg of rice, 2 banga. See the other plantains. I don't make water. This plantain, the dash milk, and this month. Imagine you buy something for a store. She won't dash something. She says she just dash me 2 months. I'll just. No, feed the plantain. Feel them. Don't the plantain don't to water. I won't buy plantain for African shop. So I won't buy plantain. I enter as I reach where I want to carry the plantain. I say the plantain don't black. No, I can't say okay, my family don't carry new cat or come out. They don't carry come out. Now so one bros won't come buy plantain. The bros come carry 4 or 5 seed of this kind plantain that you are seeing. We don't make water. The bros carry about 5 seed. Guess how much they tell this person? They tell this man say €4.50, like €1. It's basically €1 nabi. €1 for 1 plantain. Wait, no still good plantain where they set your way. Wait, no still good where they set cheap. And the bros drop her. Now so they don't know to carry because if you buy that plantain before you carry reach house, what she give me this plantain? It's strong what she give me for my hand. But see now before I carry reach house, now see.
I don't know why they are planted the which poison.
It don't soft. So now make me no just now cardboard that they use now. Now make me no just come buy the plantain. I can't leave plantain. Okay, let me buy yam as well. Yam black what I don't know. Me, daughter of a farmer. When yam from my papa come like this, I just order for yam for Europe. Oh my God.
Go your papa fan.
So I won't buy yam, but yam says see me may you buy. One small yam, one small yam like this. We no go. We no even still good. No go reach. Only me shop. They tell me €7 something. My guy. Now I drop the yam. One buy carton of time to say the yam good so. Now I drop the yam. So what's happening? You see this leaf, so this I buy it for this is for soap. The fabric is always no good man. You see all those African shop people, they think they find over game for something. They bring this leaf come out. National store for buy now. They play. Okay, wait. They know so they will first sell at 250. They will first sell at 250. What if I put €3 for the money?
You don't blame an money when they sit they buy from your African brothers.
So now they bring her come outside. They bring them. You know what I mean for their sorry to say. They say 250. This 250 this one everywhere view. This one heavy. Leave no days, let the body. It don't dry, sun don't bitter, it don't dey yellow, it no dey fresh. They tell me 250. I won't carry it. You just watch the video from the beginning. You're going to see where I was contemplating. My carry, no carry, my take for here, my carry. I can't let her carry. As I carry, I can't be like, oh, what is the point? Let me just drop this thing. I started drop out. I drop out because the man can't say I not buy the Chinese man. He can't say I not buy him. Now so he take on. Come go inside store. Come go bring new one. Come say make I come buy yam. As I carry the new one come outside, which is this fresh one, so now I call it a carry come outside. Okay. All of this meat is €75. The line will still there. Okay. I thief one from market.
No.
I don't thief 180 €. I don't thief everything.
Give me my receipts.
And they come just receipts. So now I can't carry them. This man they tell me say this thing na €3. Now I say,
when you go do for market, that
no, not sell the 250. He said na 3 euro. Now I say 3 euro. Okay. How you tell me 3 euro for this? Leave. That's maybe the only African, the only Nigeria where the price for store. Aside for the price for African store and street market, because the price for street market too.
Street market.
So I said 3 euro. I said no. Why not 250? Why not 250? Say no, they said 250 now. So you know what? I not carry 3. Say I will use one for a year, right? And use 2, join 2 pack of spinach for soup. Because by the time I buy 6 pack of spinach, this pack of spinach is 2 euro for supermarket. If I say I should buy 6, you know, will come outside for pot. Before you boil out the water, you go don't go. So that's why I say buy. As I reach counter, I won't pay. I ask woman again how much because before now, what say they call them? All those boys where they pack things come outside for store. 9 times in 3 euro. Now I ask how much for counter. Counter woman tell me say 3 euro, 3 euro. And I say, why not 2 euro 50 cents? I just said this for the year English, eh? They don't hear pidgin English, not the year English. Now I say, now be 2 euro 50 cents. It's okay, Babene, it's okay, carry. So I can only go and no, she no cheap. You cannot look the receipts for this particular leaf.
No, she not cheap.
I shall take you carry it. Carry it. So, back to this meat. Guys, this meat is 75 euro. See, this 2 rubber of meat you're just seeing here is 75 euro, which is over 100,000 naira. So things are expensive everywhere. Only this meat that you're just seeing, so 75 euro, over 100,000. So, and I buy Gary 5 kg of beans. As a beans lover, I can eat beans for Africa. I can eat beans morning, afternoon, evening. 10 euro for 5 kg of beans. Then the tifan and 10 kg of pando. And I got 10 kg. I got 10 kg of rice. They dash me this one. 2 brush for husbandman. 2 lip gloss for myself. Let's put the year and now 2 lip gloss for myself. I didn't tell you.
Don't finish.
And 2 close up. And 2 close up. Ask me what again. I want brush be your own.
Don't use me plate.
The plate. You know, not be tell you for the come. Ask me what to make me go buy this milk now. I don't even know what it. Ojukokoro na carry me enter. Go buy this milk. And 2 pack of no. Guys, drop one.
No, we don't.
Drop one. Anyone else?
I don't get strength.
She knows how to do video. No, do this kind of thing. No, let us embarrass ourselves for public. This is public. Give me.
I'll hurt you.
I will blow you.
At the vessel.
Stop me to the power. Give me.
Don't go take that money. Now, buy 70 or something. It's not 400.
No, everything we're doing here is almost 400. Yes, I get receipt.
Bring the receipt.
Give me now.
I'll give you. Bring the receipt.
Why you don't go market yourself? They find receipts.
But if you go, they have me receipt.
And my card that they pay, I'll show you everything. My card that they pay. So, and 2.
Bring the phone.
And 2 banga. No, this is my phone. Stop.
Hey guys, bye bye. You want to check receipt?
No, stop that. Everyone, not post that video. Stop now. Not post that video.
Want to check receipt?
Want to check receipt? God, I beg you. What's in again? Oh yeah, my favorite oil, favorite brand of oil. If I don't see this oil, if I don't see this oil buy for market, I swear, it be like say, I know they use oil. So
sensor.
I got, and I swear I buy carton of fish, carton of mackerel fish. That one alone is 75 euro.
My husband shares of the years I'm not talking.
375 euro. Feed buy for me for African store.
Take it.
You want to
Mommy?
These people they make noise. They make noise. You cannot make video in peace in my house if adults would make noise like children. Can you imagine? Adults would make noise like children. No, let's not make peaceful video for this house.
Bring the seat.
I bet.
And I want more for better than you want to
Okay, you
go.
the back of my mouth just.
Now wow. So I got all this. Yeah, you are seeing on this table no reach anything for 375 euro.
Ufia bae,
Mafia bae, there is receipt. Mafia bae. I think post to go for the receipt come out. Don't you? You have said a bass boss.
You wanted the national passport so they collect money for your husband. Not
Like everybody know that one say you see husbands, this bass boss open eye. Now open eye I take collect big money for your hand today is open eye. That make it a fair receipt so. You willingly or not, I shall collect it today.
But how big is your receipt?
So, guys,
I don't spend this money for this small thing.
thank you guys
You
for
know,
watching.
go reach.
Jesus.
Go reach. Next more sending. Anyway, go wait on you there.
They play. What is the distance? What is the
Broke over.
Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking and thank you
Yeah,
for staying tuned. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you are just seeing this big nose for the very first time, this nobody knows tomorrow. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Babe, stop now. Go into the gym like small pikin. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button.
Like this. Boy.
And leave a like, a comment below. Is things expensive in your area or is it cheaper